Hello guys, welcome to a new video on Saturday morning, April 28th. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how would you be able to do your own rank thing. Sorry, but you need a group. Then you go here. Then you can go to your group wherever it is. You got this ID, copy, go to develop, create new game. I'm gonna do flat terrain, call it YT test, YouTube test, then do whatever. Access, now we don't need this stuff. This will take too much time. So now we created it. Description. Blah. Blah. Okay. Create it. There. It's blah. Now we have to go to edit. This is very simple. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. Just search rank YouTube. Then this script will come up. Click the script here. Then see this. This, you gotta just change it to whatever, paste your thing here. This is mine. Then, it's as simple as that. You play here. See? Rank king. Because you see my rank in the group. Then we publish it, I guess. Then we look at our groups. And this, my rank is the king. And I'm the owner of the group. Ha! These people joined without even an advertisement. Oh wait. Didn't we put that advertisement up? Oh yeah, we spent 5 Robux on that advertisement. Okay, I'm gonna run this for 20 Robux, I guess. Sorry you have to watch this, it's nothing that you should worry about. But, that's all for the short video. It's just how to make a rank. Simple as that. Simple. Next video is gonna be, of course, playing Roblox, not making games on Roblox. So, bye-bye!